Good afternoon. Today is day 19 of the 30-day content challenge, and my name is Bill Feaver, and I am going to talk about song lyrics that I feel partial to and share a little bit about it. And if you would, please or if you could, like my video and subscribe. Also, check down below and there'll be a posting to a business opportunity for free book that deals with the 30-minute workday, and also a funnel tool that is available through my company. So the song lyrics that I want to talk about today, I like the song church music sometimes stills your soul, and I like the song The Old Rugged Cross. I was trying to think of songs that I would like the lyrics about, and usually I like the blues, and the lyrics are not that connected to giving me a lot of input as far as thought. But The Old Rugged Cross is a song that touches my heart. And I was looking on YouTube, and I found one by Alan Jackson rendition where he sings it, and it's actually very, very pretty. And it talks about some things that are really close to me. It talks about on a hill far away stood an old rugged cross, the emblem of suffering and shame. And I love that old cross where the dearest and best for a world of lost sinners was slain. So I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. To the old rugged cross I will ever be true, its shame and reproach gladly bear. Then he'll call me someday to my home far away, where his glory forever I'll share. And I'll cherish the old rugged cross till my trophies at last I lay down, and I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. I will cling to the old rugged cross and exchange it someday for a crown. Very interesting thoughts. I'm a Christian, and I was listening to the radio today, and they're talking about some scripture where, and then there's a lot of instances throughout the Bible where God has a paradox where in your weakness, he gives you strength to do what he needs done. And that kind of relates to the old rugged cross, because Christ came, he was a servant, and he seemed weak, and yet in that weakness, he was strong, and he saved us. And so that is something that I just would like to share with you, to think about, to ponder, to reminisce on. And I hope it is of value to you. It is to me. Thank you, and have a good weekend. God bless.